Question number 5b belongs to section of solid. The type of solid given here is cube of 50 mm sides, and it is being cut in such a way that the rhombus is obtained with largest possible major diagonal. You have to draw the front view, top view, and the true shape of the section. In order to start with the solution, you have to draw the top view first, in which the true shape of the base, that is square, will be visible. Now, in order to obtain the rhombus as a true shape, you have to place the square here in such a way that the diagonal of that square is parallel to the xy line. That's the only position in which the true shape will be a rhombus. So before placing here the square as a true shape, I'll have to draw a square separately in order to find its diagonal so it can be placed. Now we can draw the xy line taking this diagonal vertical here. So taking this length here, this is 72. So this completes the top view. Taking projectors up, height 50 mm because this is a cube. Let us give the labels. In order to obtain the rhombus of largest possible major diagonal, you have to take the section from top corner and opposite bottom corner. Making the ends dark because this is a section line. This is the remaining portion after taking the section. One is cut at the bottom, so this is the point. This B and D are being cut here, so they will be at this locations, and C is at this point. So this complete top view will be hatched. So you have to draw the hatching lines here. Now we have to do the true shape. From these 3 points, you have to take the perpendiculars. Now, parallel to this cutting plane, you have to draw this line parallel here. Make sure you have sufficient space in order to take this distance here. On this line, there is point A and C being cut at this. So this is the point, and similarly on this corresponding line, whereas B and D are away from this line. Join these 4 points to obtain the rhombus. Now the hatching lines. Now the dimensions. This completes the solution.